In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Vive Financial card. By the end, you'll know exactly how to activate your card, use it in stores and online, keep tabs on your spending, and make on-time payments with confidence. First, activate your card. When your card arrives, look for the activation instructions that come with it. You'll typically be asked to confirm a few details and verify that you're the card holder. Have your card handy, follow the on-screen or automated prompts, and if offered, set up your online account so you can manage everything from your phone or computer. Activation only takes a minute, and it's the key step that unlocks your ability to use the card safely. If you prefer contactless checkout, add your card to your mobile wallet. This is optional, but it makes paying fast and secure. Open your device's wallet app, choose Add Card, and follow the prompts to verify. Your bank may send a one-time code to confirm it's really you. Once added, you can tap to pay at terminals that show the contactless symbol. If you like, set the card as your default to make checkout even smoother. Now you're ready to make purchases. In stores, you can insert, swipe, or tap depending on the terminal. If prompted to choose credit or debit, select credit. For online purchases, enter your card details carefully and double check that your billing address matches what's on your account to avoid declines. Only shop on trusted sites and consider using your mobile wallet online when available for an extra layer of security. To stay in control, track your spending in the app. Download the Vive Financial app or sign in on the web to view your balance, available credit, recent transactions, and statements. Turn on purchase notifications so you get instant alerts after each charge. This not only helps you stick to your budget, it also makes it easier to spot anything that doesn't look right. If you see an unfamiliar transaction, contact support right away through the app. Finally, pay on time. Check your due date, review your statement, and decide whether to pay the minimum, a custom amount, or the full balance. Paying more than the minimum reduces interest and helps you stay ahead. Choose your payment method, schedule the payment, and confirm you've received a success message. Afterward, revisit your account to ensure the payment posted and your available credit updated. If it helps, set calendar reminders or enable autopay within the app so you never miss a due date. That's it. Activate, optionally add to your mobile wallet, make purchases confidently, track everything in the app, and pay on time. Follow these steps and you'll get the most from your Vive Financial card while keeping your account secure and your budget on track.